What you up to, Bernsey? You getting it apart?
I am getting this all apart. Getting ready for those nice, fresh parts for this car.
Freshy.
Beautiful parts. And, yeah, get rid of all this old stuff.
That's actually not in horrible shape. Like, we've seen...
No, actually...
We've seen a lot worse. I mean, this one's a
little worn out.
worn out. This is not bad.
No.
But
Bushies don't look half bad, but yeah, no, obviously.
Better.
I mean, you already have Willwood calipers, so why not?
Go do your rest of your suspension.
Yep.
So this is going to be nice.
Yep.
Gotta pull the arms out, springs out, shocks out. Gotta pull our spring shields out. Because we are dialing this baby in.
This is already unbolted.
Oh, you're already done on that end of
Yep. This is already unbolted. So basically what I'm trying to do is just get it unbolted from the arm, drop this arm. I'll probably...
Then you gotta do the upper next.
I'll do upper. I'll do the other side. I'll drop the sway bar down. So yeah.
Yeah. And then we can start putting it together. We probably could start assembling a little bit today.
Yeah.
Because it's only two.
At least mocking it up.
Yeah. I mean, get it loosely.
Yeah.
Like, I think once you get the bottom half of this side apart, I'll probably mock up the lower arm and the strut rod stuff and
See
get
what's
it kind
up?
of figured. Yeah, just kind of start seeing what we got.
Well, if you start doing that, then I'll probably start dropping all that side down.
Yeah.
And then we'll come back and clear all this up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds like
Yeah.
fun. Okay.
Looking good. All right. Here's what's up.
We have a slight...
Little battle with the eccentric. And remember, the bolt has a...
It's got a notch on it.
Yes.
Was where we adjusted this last time, it actually twisted it, and that's why it's not wanting to slide out.
Yep.
Oh, so it's been touched by stupid people?
Pretty much.
No! No!
Oh, yep,
well.
there we go.
Scotty got it out. You know why?
Because Scotty's good at getting things out.
I was
Or
gonna
is
say,
that getting things off? I'm not quite sure
it's
which.
off.
And just, that thing's in
depends.
there so good.
That arm wasn't terrible. Ooh,
No, it wasn't. I mean, it's actually in,
decent shape.
yeah.
The upper.
Yeah, but it's still destined for the scrap pile.
Because we have nice stuff.
Oh, God. I'm super stoked at what the owner's doing with this.
I'm jealous.
So am I. I mean, this thing's going to be absolutely smoking hot.
Sorry. Now I'm going to start tearing down the other side, and...
Yeah, get this sway bar out of the way. Can you
Whoa.
get the sway bar out first real quick?
Yeah, that's...
Because then I'll after I'm done with Jordan's carb, I'll start putting the bottom half of this kind of together to mock it up.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
I'll do that right now.
This is going to be good. Today's a good day, Tater. Rock on, baby.
What is it?
We're drinking good water.
It's a good day, Tater.
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 They call me Tater.
Tater salad.
And me, it would be Tater Twat. I mean, Tot.
Your Tater sperm bank night drop.
No. I prefer a night drop in something else.
Rectal party favors. Anyway, I need to get these bushings out, Bernsey.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, that's going to be fun.
Yep.
Oh.
That's all right. I'm going to get the sway bar out.
Get the bar out, and then we'll
then,
take turns beating that off.
Whoa. Whoa.
And then I'll start assembling this while you get that set apart.
Yes, sir.
Nice.